So I just wanted to say, I realized in my other video, I didn't really discuss the shorts, even though I said I was going to discuss them. Child, my mom be going 100 miles per hour, right? So I got our milkshakes, got my son on our way to his therapy. So I told you how much I made in these 3 days via the long form content. Well, my total is $50-something, $50 and some change, right? So I wanted to let you know, shorts. Everyone keeps saying, make sure you're posting your shorts. Make sure you're posting your shorts. And I'm just telling you about my experience. No, shorts don't take a lot of effort. And it's great that you can reuse them on TikTok or Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels. You can reuse them. So it's great. You know, they don't have to be too long and stuff. But when I tell you, shorts, you don't make no money. You don't make no money with shorts. Like, you don't make no money with shorts. You don't make no money with shorts. So, out of that $50, 75 cents. You heard me right. Out of that $50, 75 cents is from shorts. That's right. Out of that $50, 75 cents. Ooh, you just, I see why your car messed up in the front. But yeah, so I'm to the point where I'm still going to do it because I'm trying to build my subscribers. And shorts does help your page get more subscribers or whatever. But it's not something you can definitely depend on to make any money. Like, I got a lot of shorts out there. I don't have a lot. But imagine if you have 100 shorts and they making like 11 cents. That's what, y'all do the math. $11? But I guess $11 a day. But you have to get to that point where you have that many shorts. I mean, some of my shorts are only making like 3 cents, have made 3 cents. I think the most is 16 cents. So I'm trying to focus and see if I really want to focus on shorts. I'm going to put them out there, but I might not do more than 3 or 4 a day. And it's definitely going to be reusable content that I can use on other platforms, because you know I do TikTok shop as well. So yeah. But where my watch hours came from was definitely going live. And so I was using a third party to go live, because I thought with YouTube you couldn't go live until you had a certain amount of subscribers from their actual app. So I was using a third party, which I did like because I'm able to share my screen and everything like that. And those lives, actually while we're live, you know, I might get up to like 120 people in there and stuff like that. Most times between 70 and 80. Not complaining, because they get watched later. The replay gang is on point. So they do about 2,000 views or whatever. But I noticed the lives where I use the actual YouTube app, because people are visual. Even if, you know, you got the messed up teeth, you know, you ain't, you know, the black, whatever, people are visual. So they want to see actually who they're talking to. So going live on the app, those videos are doing around 6K, 7K. So I said, okay, because like I said, I got to go hard in November. I'm going to have to go live at least every day. And then when you do, if I can get average, let's say average 5K per live. When I say 5K, I mean 5 views, 5,000 views. And heck, it could be more, but you know, I'm saying, you know, whatever. So 5,000 views and like simple math, 30 days, that's 150,000 views. That's where a big chunk of my YouTube payout is going to come, until people really start feeling the content I'm putting out there. But I'm going to take you guys on this journey. I'm going to start a playlist of my YouTube journey so everyone can follow along and understand the different things that I did. So my shorts ain't doing, you know, and my shorts, some of my shorts only get like 4 to 5 views. and then some of them get like 400 views, and then I have some they get like 900, 1,000 views and stuff. So it all depends. I do notice the shorts are very different than what you do put on the other platforms. But if it's something that I can go ahead and get 10 to 15 subscribers a day right now from shorts, I'm okay with that. Also with my lives, where you're using the app and you're, you know, interacting face to face with people, I get a lot of subscribers that way as well. So those are just some things I noticed. I know in my last video I mentioned about the shorts, and then I talked about the money, but that was really from long form and lives. That wasn't from, you know, shorts. Like I said, the shorts I made 75 cents, and then I do have some super chats in my membership. I got like 2 or 3 memberships, but my memberships are 99 cents. So you get, out of that 99 cents, you get 69 cents of that. So it really is the super chats and the lives in the long form. So if you have any suggestions, please comment below. I'm all up for suggestions, because I'm, like I said, I'm on a mission to utilize YouTube to change my life, my son's life, our living situation, and just really getting out there and changing the lives of others as well. So like I said, if you have any tips on how to grow your channel or get more views, please let me know. Comment below. And also, if you have a channel and you're just starting out and you want some subscribers, put in the comments that you're a new channel and you're trying to reach new heights as well. Well, not trying, you're going to reach new heights, you know, but you want to connect to other people. So let's get it. We're in this together. But I just wanted to let you guys know about the shorts. You guys have a good one.